Language focus. Capital letter, full stop, and question mark. We use capital letters at the beginning of every sentence for names of people, places, days, and months. We use full stop at the end of a sentence that tells something, gives a command, makes a statement.
We use a question mark at the end of a sentence that at
They go to school.
correct the sentences.
See an example.
Correct the sentences. Find the words with capital letters. Correct the sentences. Then